Excuse me.
Oh, you're talking to me? I didn't know who you're talking to.
Photography is not allowed inside.
Oh, what's that?
I might ask you to leave, please.
Yeah, why can't you record it?
We'll call the police. No, it's not allowed.
It's already done.
We have to call the cops then.
You call the police, I'll wait outside for them.
Yeah.
Are they coming? I'm waiting for them.
Oh, we are not stopping you. Come in.
I'm waiting. If they're coming, for the police if they're coming.
Yeah.
All right, sweet. Yeah, I'll wait for them.
Yeah.
He thinks I'm going to do the runner. How long do you reckon it'll take these fellas to get here once they realise it's me? Here they are, guys, here they are. They're coming. These guys. Look at the lips on that. They coming in hot. Hot to trot. They coming in hot to trot.